Hi guys, Sam Lazar here from Sam Lazar Tech, and I'm going to show you how to change your theme or wallpaper on Windows 11. So this is very similar to Windows 7, 8 and 10, but of course Windows 11 is slightly different as Microsoft has changed things over the years. But before we continue, all the opinions are my own. The computer I'm using is for my gym instructor, so when it's done it goes back to him. But let's continue, and I'll show you how to change your theme or wallpaper on Windows 11.
Right, I'm on my computer, so what I'm going to do now is right click and select personalize. Like in Windows 10, this will take you to your personalization screen. From here, I can change my background, accent color, theme, and various other things. So let's say, for example, I want this glow theme. Now, if I take a look at my desktop, the glow theme has been applied. If I go back in the settings, and then I decide to choose colors, you can manually choose a color. You can have transparency effects on your taskbar and theme if you want. You can do dark, light, or custom. Change your colors, and you can even do colors on your border, as shown here. If I go back into personalization and I go to themes, you can create your own theme by choosing a background, or you can get more from the Microsoft Store. And as you can see, some free and paid ones. Let's go and download this one from the Xbox Series X. And you hit get to download for free. And as you can see, it's downloading. Whilst that downloads, what you can also do is go online and download your own theme. For example, let's look up Pokemon window theme. Let's download a Pokemon theme. This is a third party one, but this doesn't work in Windows. And let's choose one from Sun and Moon, which is Generation 7. Let's download it. And yeah, sure, I'll open it when it's downloaded. Oh, it's already been applied. Okay, that's cool. Let's go to the desktop. And as you can tell, it's been applied. Now, since your theme's downloaded from the Microsoft Store, you can open it and choose your theme. And as you can tell, the theme has been changed. One other way you can change your theme or background on Windows 11 is by going online and looking up an image. For example, I look up Pokemon Battle Frontier. There we go. And I go to images. And then I find the image. Oh, here looks like a pretty good image. I can right click and I can save the image. So let's save it to my pictures and save. Once it's saved, you can open it and set it as your background by right clicking on the image or set it as desktop background.
So that's how you change your theme or wallpaper on Windows 11. It's pretty straightforward if you know what you're doing, and it gets easier over the years as older versions of Windows is similar to the current version, but of course there have been some changes due to icons, new look, and all etc. But anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped, and see ya.